Hello everyone, thank you very much for tuning into the Austin City Properties Real Estate channel. Here we drop weekly videos to show you the best of Austin and Austin new communities. If we haven't met yet, my name is Mirshad Afshar and my number one goal is to help you make the most educated decision about your next move. So if you're thinking about relocating within our fabulous city, hit that subscribe button so you do not miss on any of these awesome opportunities we bring for you every week. Also, if you are thinking about buying one of these beautiful brand new homes, look at the bottom of this video. We have a link that you can access a lot of great resources we have for you. We have a Facebook group that you can join where we share a lot of great deals and opportunities from builders. Also, if you have never built a brand new construction home before, we have an ebook that you can download which walks you through the A to Z of the process from start to finish. So talking about this video, we are in the master plan community of Wolf Ranch, South Fork, the south part, and I am going to show you guys the model home by Drees. This is one of the more popular floor plans that they have, and you can build it as a 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom. It also has an option for a media room. It's very popular. There's a good reason for it. Let's go inside and take a look why. Three to 4 bedrooms, 2,900 all the way up to 3,200 square feet are the specs on this home. This is the Brady by Drees Custom Homes, and you can build it in 5 different elevations, including elevation A, which is the exact home that you are looking at. The starting price of this home is $689,000, and after all the upgrades, you can expect somewhere around $800 or $900. What stands out about elevation A is this rounded window in the front of the home. All right, as we enter, as you can see, like most of the home that we show you, we have a grand entrance. To the right is the garage, but right now is the sales center. To the left, a full-on bathroom with a bedroom. Now this home is going to have some beautiful selections because it's the model home. Of course, they deck these out, but if your budget is kind of tight to buy a model home, and you can just pay attention to the flow of the floor plan, and those cosmetically upgrades can always be done after the fact when you get yourself into the home. We got this beautiful kitchen, formal dining room. I love the furniture because it kind of shows out the size of the rooms. And then right here we have the bar. Farmhouse style sink. We got a 6-burner KitchenAid. And look at the color combo. We got white and gold, and then this sort of tannish color with gold, which is very popular these days. We got a double oven and a microwave. That's where your pantry is. The entrance from the garage and the laundry room. Now, this is something that Drees Homes are very known for, is this farmhouse style ceiling. I'm personally a big fan. It does give you a good feeling while you live in the home. And I don't like the cramped 9 or 10 foot ceilings. These, go all the way up to 14 and 15 in most cases. Now we're gonna go take a look at the master. Look at those windows. Like if the orientation of your home is just right, you can have the sun shining on you when you wake up first thing in the morning. I'm a big fan of that personally. I'm a morning person. But if you're not, you might want to consider a different orientation. The home is still beautiful. All right, we got the his and hers. Again, gold selection on the faucets. And then we got a nice walk-in shower on this one. You do have the option to make it a tub and a shower. Of course, that will limit the size. And here we are with the closet. Let's go back to the main living room and check out the backyard. Of course, this one is the model, so it does have some bells and whistles in the back, but normally Drees Homes, they do some sort of an upgrade in their inventory homes as well. If you're looking to purchase your brand new home or even a resale and would like to have a conversation with us, you can give me a call at 512-202-4976. Or if you'd like to get on the schedule under our link tree, we do have a link that you can schedule a 30-minute consultation with me personally. Whether you do live in Austin or not, I'll be glad to assist you with any of your real estate needs. Thinking about buying a brand new home in the Austin and the suburbs? Well, consider joining our Facebook group community where we share all the exclusive deals and best offers by different home builders. Buying a brand new home can be quite overwhelming. You're gonna have to drive to different communities, talk to numerous sales agents to find out what kind of deals and offers they have. Well, lucky for you, we've done the legwork. All you have to do is join our Facebook group and gain access to these deals on a daily basis. Simply look for the link tree on the bottom of this video or in the description of our bio. Click on joining the Facebook group, fill out a quick questionnaire, and you get access to these deals on a daily basis. See you there. Now, as you can see, we got these iron railing, super gorgeous. And the loft, they did add the optional media room in this one. So if you don't were to add it, your room will stop right here. I believe they did add the extra bed over here as well. Of course, it's the model. They got to show it off. So here is the third and the fourth. So as you can see, multi-generation, we got 2 bedrooms up here. You got the kind of like an in-law suite down that corner, and then the master is on the other side of the home. So makes it a very, very convenient for multi-generations. All right, let me know what you guys think and leave a comment about what would you do different in this home. Are you serious about buying a brand new construction home in the Austin, Texas area? Then consider downloading our 7 steps on how to buy a brand new construction home. Inside, I share 6 years of experience working with various different builders. You'll learn how the process works from start to finish. You learn how to choose the right builder that matches your needs, and then also what key questions to ask to put yourself in a strong negotiation position with these builders. Don't go in unprepared. Trust me, download this guide and you'll thank yourself later.